This activity is called Designing Privacy in Social Media Platforms. It's part of the K-12 AI Education series from MIT Media Lab's Personal Robots group. This activity was created by Daniela De Paola, a research assistant, and Stephanie Nguyen, a research scientist at MIT Media Lab. In this activity, students will participate in a workshop designed to teach and engage students about YouTube, design, data privacy, and civics. Students will make their own designs aimed to solve one of the biggest challenges of the digital era: online data consent. In this video, we will go over the overview and activities. It'll take between 60 to 75 minutes and can be done in groups of 3 or 4, but also can be done individually. We aim to pilot this with 8th to 9th graders. Some learning objectives include to reflect and share on our own privacy perspectives and learn more about what our friends' perspectives are to better inform policy and tech initiatives. We also engage students in understanding one of the biggest challenges of the digital era: online consent. Here are some of the materials. These can all be accessed at aieducation.mit.edu. You can go to the units page and click on Data, Privacy, and Design Activities. There are 5 parts to this activity. First is what is privacy. Then we go into how does privacy play out in the law. 3 is the activity. 4 is sharing out. And 5 is concluding with some thoughts. Section 1, Introduction. What is privacy? To start off, we will ask students to define this word, privacy, and list things that they would consider private. You can use this discussion as a way to get students to relate to the concept in their own lives. For example, you might want to probe and ask students about their favorite applications or websites. Like, how does YouTube handle privacy? What is private information that YouTube should keep secure? After students give their own definition, show them some ways that privacy can be defined. Next, you can show them some examples of objects, both technical and non-technical, that can keep things private. Section 2, how does privacy play out in the law? In this section, we'll explore how privacy and technology play out in the law. To do this, we focus on technology that students are familiar with. So what we did is we had students view this video about Pokemon Go and privacy and the data that it collects. We also include this link in the materials. After the video, have a conversation with students about what they watched. Ask them to reflect on what happened, what surprised them, and perhaps what they agreed or disagreed with. Next, introduce the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA, as one solution to securing privacy online. You can also show them this video of how COPPA is impacting kids on YouTube. We have also included this on the materials list. After watching the video, invite students to think about the challenges of COPPA and parental consent and design solutions to them. You can give examples of ways that others have thought about solving this problem, specifically related to slides 17 and 19 in the materials guide. Here are some of the examples that we provided to them, which can be found in our slide deck. These examples should be used to get students to start thinking about how others have tried to make COPPA better and should be used as inspiration for their own designs. Section 3, Let's Design. This is where we give students time to work on a solution prototype. To get them started, prompt them to think about a problem in particular and view it from the parent's and the child's perspective. For example, if the problem is that COPPA's agreement is too difficult to understand, talk about what that might mean for a parent and what that might mean for a child. After students finish their projects, have them share projects and reflect on why they chose to design it in the way that they did. If you're doing this with multiple groups, have students compare and contrast strategies. What is your idea? Why did you choose this idea? How does it work? What are the pros and cons? Thank you for viewing. We hope that you notice privacy more in your lives, learn something new, share this with others, and most importantly, become more involved in conversations of both technology and privacy. and policy. Thank you again for watching, and we hope you take a look at the materials accompanying this video. We'd love your feedback. Enjoy the activity.